alright, bit of a disaster. I didn't film it because it was too much of a panic, but the last like 3 days it's consistently rained. So I panicked, and because obviously I've got a hole in the roof, chucked a tarpaulin over the roof, and turns out this tarpaulin's also got a hole in it as well. So it's basically acted as a big funnel and poured all the water through here, and it's all gone into the car. So driver's footwell is full of water, mould all over the steering wheel. I'll not touch that, but yeah, it's gross. That's like, doesn't look it, that's about 2 inches thick of water down there. The carpet seems to be like waterproof, so, but some of it's obviously got through. Passenger side's even worse, I'll show you that. There you go. ECU is behind there as well, so I'll have to sort this quick. nice gentleman just nearby, about 5 minutes away from me, just put on one of the forums. He's got a mohair roof that he's putting on his Mazda. So he's, if I give him a hand, swapping it over with him, then he said I can have his roof for 50 quid. So, and it's a lot better condition than this one. That's with the frame and the heated window and all that sort of stuff as well. So there's a man in the middle of the road there, idiot. So it's actually raining at the moment, which isn't ideal, but I'm hoping, I've just looked at the weather, it's going to stop in a minute, well, in about half hour. So hopefully we'll be able to get it swapped over while there's a break in the clouds. Hopefully stop the water getting in, because this ain't ideal. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's where I'm going now. I'll try and film as much as I can. I'll probably just leave the GoPro where you are and just you'll be able to see some stuff and whatever. So yeah, onwards. Yes! That was slightly sideways. Oh, I miss having a LSD. This open diff is rubbish. The old Mazda, that would have just gone woo straight out. Never mind. Maybe we'll get an LSD and bolt it in, or weld this one up. Welding's good, but driving around with a welded diff isn't ideal. Town life wise, but then am I really going to daily this? Right, it's the old roof off, taking all these bolts off the back, or nuts, whatever they are, and yeah, it's really quite easy. I'm just going to clear out the drain holes as well. These all look quite good. Yeah, I'll show you. So just hoovered a bit of the, well, matey did for me, he just had to shoot off, but clean these drain valley things where they are, run a trombone down there and a hose pipe just to clear them all out. They're rammed, much better now. Get a hoover, but yeah, there's matey's one. He's got his mohair on there, looking good, but I think I'm gonna have to get the other roof on myself single-handedly, so because he's had to shoot off quick, but let's give it a go. Right, pretty much done. Here's the old one, got her in. Christ, a bit of off-road in here, it's not ideal. I don't know if you can see it, look at that house behind me, lovely. It's a famous person's house, I won't say who, but they've got a lot of money, nice big grounds. But yeah, so the roof is on, the new one. Wasn't too bad, took me about 2 hours ish. That's with giving Matey a hand with his one as well, his mohair one that he's put on. But this one, well, not this one, the new one that's on there, I say new, doesn't look too bad. It's there's a few little nicks in the vinyl, like here and there, but a million times better to what I had. So this one I'm just gonna like peel it and then just keep the frame just in case I need it in the future. I could probably put like a mohair on there or something, but don't know, we'll see. Handy to keep. Right, that's it. The new roof, or new to me roof, is on. As you can see, there's no big gaping hole out the back anymore, which is nice. And it wasn't too bad actually to fit. I've also put all this stuff back in. I didn't see much point in filming that, you saw it coming out. Yeah, took it all out, gave it a good clean before it went back in. My door's open. Now it's shut. Yeah, put it all back in and also wrapped the little centre thing, because I love wood wrap. Who doesn't? But hopefully we'll be nice and dry now. It's not 100% this roof, there's a couple of little splits in it and stuff, but not any little nicks, but they seem to be like above the like in the bits where it just goes straight onto the rain gutter thing. So if anything gets through there, it won't matter, and it's a million times better than what I had. And for the money, can't really go wrong. So yeah. Easy as that. Lovely. Well, anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. Bit of a random one. Wet floor, new roof, that sort of stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like down below if you can, helps the channel out, helps the video get found by people that are interested in similar stuff as yourselves. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below. That'll keep you up to date with more Miata content. And also I've got some stuff coming for the N54, the 335i. That'll be coming back in the next couple of weeks. A few bits to do on there, some maintenance and stuff. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell as well. You can hit that if you want your phone to ping when the videos go up. It's up to you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.